Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with Google Docs at 2026. So there is no full two-way live integration between the Canva and Google Docs, so that's the truth, okay? But you can connect them smoothly and reliable ways depending on what you want to do. So the first method is to insert Canva design directly into the Google Docs, and that's the best method and if official one. So what this does, you may ask. So it's add the Canva designs into the Google Docs and keep them clean and high quality, okay? So at first you will need to open the Google Docs, okay? And then just open your documents, alright? So let's open a blank document just to set an example with. So right here, all you need to do is to go and click on insert here, okay? And after that, just go and over on the drawing, and after that, go with the new option, the first one. Then all you need to do here is to click on actions and then just go and look for an option. It says add-ons, okay? Then just click on add-ons. So the only ones that can see that option, that ones who got the premium version of the Google Docs or paid the premium version, all right? Then inside the add-ons, you will need to search for Canva and then just install the Canva for the Google Docs. And now to use it, you will need to do the same steps, okay? You will need to go to insert, then drawing. Then you will need to click on Canva. You will find that right here, just from Drive, you will see an option like from Canva, okay? Then just select or create a design and click insert, and your Canva design is now inside the Google Docs. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.